Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will rate this we will have a honest review about this product. This is Diamond Hair Annealing Bubble Hair Removal Spray. It says here on the box it has mild formula and hair removal cream. It's 98 ml. And on the side, on the back part, you can see the instructions and usage and attention. Yeah. Then let's open this one. Wait lang. I'll open the box. Ganito siya sa loob. May parang another box. Here, parang siyang ito, and here is the product itself. And honest review ko dito is that it is very effective. Mabango siya and malamig siya sa area kung saan mo siya in-spray. Mostly, dapat 8 to 15 minutes daw siyang hindi. 8 to 10 minutes dapat siya babad dito kapag in-spray mo na siya bago mo siya punasan ng tissue parts or anything na pampunas. Then, ito siya bago mag-grow ulit yung hair and hindi siya ganun kakapay unlike na pag nag-shave ka na makapay siya. So, highly recommended ito for those girlies na mahilig mag-Barbera outfit, nakita yung underarms, then yung mga mahilig mag-bikini lalo ngayon summer time. So, ito. Since, hindi ko pa-afford mag-laser down there. So, down there and on my underarms. So, ito naman. I will put the link somewhere in this video and pwede ko din siya itag. So, ito lang guys. Bye! Bye!